Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, USB adapter. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.